So if you want to generate any kind of image, restyle the image, create a video from an image, expand the video and add background sound using just one tool for free. What if I say it's possible all these features in just one tool? Yes, you heard it right. I have got the best tool for you. According to the details review, Meta AI uses a little consumer-friendly version of Midjourney's model. It's free, no subscription required. I swear you will love it. So let's dive in. Search Meta AI, sign up your account. You can sign up with your Instagram account, Gmail, phone number, and Facebook as well. I'm gonna sign up with Gmail. Enter your Gmail and your good name. Set your date of birth, your username, and confirm your details. It will take some time. Then enter the code, just enter your Gmail and click on continue. You can see three options: new chats, vibes, and create. Click on create. Click on image feature, then it will show you options, image and video. Select the ratio, and there is an aesthetic option. We will try it later in this video. I'm gonna create an image, give the prompt, and you can see the awesome results. It's amazing. Now click on animate and it will generate a video from the image. It generates so fast and it's 5 seconds video, and here you can see there is no background sound. Now I'll add the background sound. Click on add the music and it will show you sounds. There are three options: suggested, trending, and saved. You can also search your desired song. You can add any of them. And I'm gonna choose the first one. Click on apply. You can see the sounds has been added to the video. I'm gonna play this. Let's go! Let's go again! Let's go again! So you can see how smoothly it adds the background sound without any effort, and it's all for free. Also, you can extend the video. Click on extend and you can see it extends the video for 9 seconds, and you also extend the background sound. It's worked amazingly, and I can't believe it's all for free. Let me check if it extend the more. Oh my goodness, it's working for it. I'm literally shocked. It extends the video for 30 seconds. How amazingly it's work. Now I'm gonna generate a video. You can upload an image. I'm gonna generate with prompt. Oh, this tool is just wow. I gave the one prompt and it generated the 4 videos. Let's check them out. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's generate an image. I'm gonna show you its amazing feature. You will be shocked. Click on browse and here you can see restyle your image. Let's choose the pink. It's generating. Just wait a moment and it's ready. This tool is not just amazing, it's user-friendly and so powerful. By the aesthetic option, you can generate cartoon-like videos. And I'm telling you, it's free. Just go and enjoy. Thank me later. See you next time.